Tense. Lesson 2. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the usage of used to for expressing past habits and happenings. Describe past habits using used to.
Hello, I am Harun. I used to live in Rangpur. Recently, my father has been transferred to Dhaka. My life in Dhaka is completely different. In Rangpur, I used to go to school on foot, but in Dhaka, I go to school by bus. The roads used to be calm and quiet at Rangpur. In Dhaka, the roads are noisy and busy. My mother used to cook on a kerosene stove, but now she cooks on a gas stove. We used to live in a house, but now we live in an apartment.
Notice similarities in the sentences. I used to go to school on foot, but now I go to school by bus. The roads used to be calm and quiet at Rangpur, but the roads are noisy and busy in Dhaka. My mother used to cook on a kerosene stove, but now she cooks on a gas stove. We used to live in a house, but now we live in an apartment. Notice similarities in the sentences. I used to go to school on foot, but now I go to school by bus. The roads used to be calm and quiet at Rangpur, but the roads are noisy and busy in Dhaka. My mother used to cook on a kerosene stove, but now she cooks on a gas stove. We used to live in a house, but now we live in an apartment.
I lived in Rangpur. I used to live in Rangpur. I liked ice cream. I used to like ice cream.
What is the difference between the first and second sentence in the speech bubbles? We can use both past form of verbs and used to plus base form of verbs for describing past incidents. Note, we use past form of verbs for describing activities that happened in the past. We use used to plus base form of verbs for past habits or activities in the past. Look at the pictures and pick one suitable word from the boxes to complete the sentences. When I was young, I used to comb my hair thrice a day, but now I don't. I used to be very fit. Now I am overweight. Rumana used to ride on a bicycle. She drives a car now. I never used to have bananas. Now I like it very much. Rewrite these sentences with used to plus verb. Rumana learned computer 5 years ago. Rumana used to learn computer 5 years ago. I played cricket with my cousins when I was at my village. I used to play cricket with my cousins when I was at my village. In ancient time, people traveled on camel. In ancient time, people used to travel on camel.
Who are you? Why do you look so sad? I am the most unfortunate man who has lost everything. Please tell me what happened. I was the owner of a shop. My business was very good, but one day
We lost everything in the flood. Please give us some money.
why should I give you my money? I have earned it.
The Almighty has given you wealth and riches. Please help us.
Get out of here. Fire! Fire!
Fire! Fire!
Help! 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 Help!
Hey, aren't you the shopkeeper? What happened to you?
I have lost everything. I am very poor now. The Almighty has punished me for my rudeness. Please forgive me.
Oh, I am so sorry for you. May Allah bless you. If you work hard, you will again prosper in life.
Rewrite the sentences with used to plus verb.
Remember, after used to, we use the base form of verb. The shopkeeper was a proud man. He sold tea and grocery things. He was rich before. He was the owner of a big shop. He behaved rudely with the poor people. The shopkeeper used to be a proud man. He used to sell tea and grocery things. He used to be rich before. He used to be the owner of a big shop. He used to behave rudely with the poor people.
Father, he is the man of whom I told you yesterday.
I have heard your story from Harun. At office, we need a gardener. You can work here.
Thank you very much for your kindness.
What have you learned from the man's story? Click on the options. I did not used to like fruits, but now I take fruits every day for a good health.
I did not used to read English newspaper. Now I read it every day.
Did not plus used to plus verb is used for expressing an activity or event that never happened in the past, but now it happens regularly. Look at the picture of Dola and Jasmine and say about their past habits. Make sentence with used to and did not used to. Dola used to get up early in the morning. Jasmine did not used to get up early in the morning. Dola used to do exercise. Jasmine did not used to do exercise. Dola used to study regularly. Jasmine did not used to study regularly. Now, both Dola and Jasmine study regularly. Write 5 true sentences about your past activities using used to and did not used to.
What have we learnt in this lesson?
In this lesson, we have learnt using used to and did not used to for expressing past habits and activities.